Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to post your YouTube videos to Instagram so that you can showcase what you're doing on YouTube to your Instagram followers, so that you can direct traffic to your YouTube and get more audience, to get views and subscribers. So first of all, you need to go to your iMovie and press the plus button to start your project. Press movie and choose the video that you were making and create movie. So when you post your video to YouTube, press share, and then it automatically exports to YouTube. So when your video is done uploading or publishing, it will ask you to visit or tell a friend of the video, but in this case I'm just gonna close. So immediately after posting your video to YouTube, do not delete the one that remains in the iMovie, because it's the same video as the one that is on YouTube. So you just have to go and edit it, and as you can see, it's a 10-minute video. So for Instagram to post a video, it's got a minimum of 1 minute, unless if you are doing it on the IGTV. So you need to trim this video as much as possible, but target the important information that you need in the video, especially the introduction of the video. Don't introduce yourself, because most of the people already know who you are. Target the introduction of what you're referring to in the video. So definitely I'm gonna remove this. So just click on there, say delete. I'm gonna start from the start. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete all of this. Delete. So after trimming our video is now looking good. As you can see, it's less than 1 minute. It's 59.5 seconds. So we are ready to post this video to Instagram. So you press done and you share. As you can see, it's already sharing to Instagram. Okay, so you need to write your message here for Instagram. I'm gonna write how to link a YouTube channel to Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And then just below here, I'm going to write a message which says, click the link on bio. I have already attached a link to my Instagram profile. So whoever is going to watch this short clip, they will be then directed to click on the bio link of this full video. Continue to say to watch full video. Then I'm gonna space again. So now you need to exit here, go to your browser, type studio. Now you need to go and click on the icon to open the videos, and we need this video which says how to link your YouTube channel. So if you click it and go underneath it here and copy link and go back to iMovie and paste the link of the full video. So this link of the full videos, sometimes it's unclickable in the Instagram, but as I have advised people to go and click on the link on the bio to watch the full video, so they've got two options if the other one is not working. Press OK, and then you can press share. As it is posting, so you don't need any other app to set up the picture of the video, like to set it up to 9.16. With iMovie to automatically fit the right screen that is required in Instagram, which is awesome. So it says success, that means that it is posted. So finally our video has been posted to Instagram. So if we go to Instagram, click on new posts, or straight away go to your profile and see your post that you have recently been posting. YouTube and how to link your YouTube to your social platform such as. So that's our video there, and how to link your YouTube to your social platform such as Facebook, to you guys. Don't forget Instagram, like, TikTok, and comment. And by so doing,